Let's achieve our English goals together. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of setting goals for vocabulary and idiomatic expression improvement. As we all know, vocabulary and idioms play a critical role in our fluency in English, and setting the right goals can guide us to a faster and more effective learning experience. So, let's get started. The first thing we need to understand is why setting goals is important. When you have clear goals, you know exactly what you're working towards. This applies to all aspects of life, including language learning. Whether it's learning new words or understanding the hidden meanings in idiomatic expressions, having a specific target can make your learning journey more focused and rewarding. When it comes to goal setting, the SMART principle is an excellent guide. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's apply this to our vocabulary and idiomatic expressions goals. 1. Specific. Instead of a general goal like, I want to improve my vocabulary, specify what you want to achieve. For example, I want to learn 20 new words related to cooking. 2. Measurable. Make sure you can track your progress. Continuing with the example above, you can keep a journal of the new cooking-related words you learn each day. 3. Achievable. Choose goals that are challenging but possible. If you're just starting out, don't aim for highly technical jargon or obscure idioms. Start small and gradually increase the difficulty level. 4. Relevant. Your goals should align with your needs. If you're learning English for tourism purposes, focusing on travel-related vocabulary and idioms would be more useful. 5. Time-bound. Set a timeline for your goal. This creates urgency and helps you stay committed. For instance, you might set a goal to learn those 20 cooking words within 1 week. Once you've set your goals, it's time to work on them. One effective way is through storytelling and jokes. Stories can introduce new vocabulary and idioms in a natural context, helping you understand their usage. Jokes often play on words and idioms, challenging you to understand the language at a deeper level. Practice by reading and telling stories and jokes that align with your goals. Remember, practice makes perfect. There you have it, folks. Remember, setting the right goals for your vocabulary and idiomatic expression improvement is the first step towards mastery. Follow the SMART principle and use engaging resources like stories and jokes to keep the learning process fun and effective. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing all the incredible progress you'll make. Keep practicing, and you'll surely get there. Happy learning, everyone!